Can I open more than one stash account? This is a common question among investors who are considering using stash for their financial goals. In this video, we'll explore the possibility of having multiple stash accounts and discuss the benefits and potential drawbacks. What is stash? Before diving into the main topic, let's quickly review what stash is. Stash is a popular investment app that makes investing accessible to everyone. It offers fractional shares, automated investing, and various investment options, including stocks, ETFs, and bonds. The single account policy. Stash generally has a single account policy. This means that each individual is typically allowed to have only one stash account. This policy is in place to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements and to maintain a streamlined user experience. Exceptions to the rule. While the single account policy is generally enforced, there are a few exceptions where multiple stash accounts might be permissible. Joint accounts. Stash may allow joint accounts, where two or more people share ownership of an account. This can be beneficial for couples or partners who want to invest together. Custodial accounts. For minors, custodial accounts can be opened to help them start investing. These accounts are typically managed by an adult, who is considered the custodian. Retirement accounts. Stash may offer retirement accounts, such as individual retirement accounts, IRAs, or Roth IRAs. These accounts are subject to specific rules and regulations, and multiple accounts may be allowed under certain circumstances. Benefits of a single account. Having a single stash account can offer several benefits. Simplified management. With a single account, it's easier to track your investments, manage your portfolio, and stay on top of your financial goals. Consolidated view. A single account provides a comprehensive overview of your investments, making it easier to assess your overall financial health. Streamlined customer support. If you have any questions or issues, dealing with a single account can simplify the customer support process. Potential drawbacks of a single account. While a single stash account offers several advantages, there may be situations where multiple accounts could be beneficial. Different investment strategies. If you have distinct investment goals or risk tolerances, multiple accounts could allow you to implement different strategies. Tax planning. In some cases, multiple accounts can be used for tax planning purposes, such as maximizing contributions to tax-advantaged retirement accounts. Emergency funds. You might consider having a separate account for your emergency fund to keep it separate from your long-term investment goals. Alternatives to multiple stash accounts. If you're looking for flexibility beyond a single stash account, there are several alternatives to consider. Other investment apps. Explore other investment apps that may offer features or account types that better suit your needs. Brokerage firms. Consider traditional brokerage firms that often allow multiple accounts and offer a wider range of investment options. Robo-advisors. Robo-advisors provide automated investment services and may offer different account types or features. While Stash generally has a single account policy, there are exceptions and alternative options to consider. The best approach depends on your individual circumstances and financial goals. If you're interested in learning more about Stash or exploring other investment options, consider visiting their website or consulting with a financial advisor. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.